I plan on trying to restore these headlights. Now, as you see, super hazy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit them with some sandpaper, some super fine grit, nothing crazy, and then see if they'll polish up, clean up, and hopefully, for the most part, that should bring the front end of this car back to life. All right, driver's side done. Working on the passenger side right now. We've sanded it, we just polished it, and now we are getting ready to do the, where to go? This stuff right here. The magic ceramic coat to keep this hopefully less oxidized for longer. All right, that is it for restoring these headlights. I mean, I think easily the best thing we've done to this thing so far. I mean, they look so good now.